A clean pool is an inviting pool. Discover Hayward's PoolVac V-Flex suction cleaner, reinvented for a new generation in clean. And delivering more of everything you want in a suction cleaner, featuring a transformational breakthrough design that drives power, superior performance, and best-of-breed management, while married with its best-in-class pool coverage, puts PoolVac V-Flex on the cutting edge of clean. Inside, traditional suction cleaners are built with non-flexible turbine vanes, which can cause clogging. Inside PoolVac V-Flex, its new patented turbine design features flexible vanes that automatically adjust, allowing for leaves, twigs, acorns, and sand to easily pass through the cleaner. The energy-efficient design of V-Flex provides maximum suction power at any flow, making it the perfect partner for use with variable speed pumps. Let's not forget its patented AquaPilot programmed steering delivers unmatched, reliable, complete pool coverage. PoolVac V-Flex is even simple to use. It connects quickly to your pool's filtration system with no tools or booster pumps required. Experience the enhanced power, performance, and reliability of PoolVac V-Flex today.